up? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas and a happy holidays to you. I hope you guys have a great Christmas this year. And I also want to thank you guys for all the love and support you guys show the channel this year. 2020 is going to be a game changer. We're going to get new builds and try to be more consistent. So stay tuned for that. Today we're going to continue working on our 2019 Turbo Razor XP, and we did get some new parts in for the car, and we also got some mods. So let's go ahead and check out what we got. All right, so before we jump on this front bumper, I do want to show you guys some of the mods that we got. Here's the original bumper that we tried salvaging out, and I got all the fiberglass work done, but as soon as I went to go install it, this right here cracked, and I could reinforce it by running a metal plate under here, but I just said screw it. I'm not spending any more time on that bumper. I went ahead and purchased a new one. Here it is. I've got all the grills and all the canards on, as well as the headlights. Everything fits up just like it should. So instead of running these plastic trim panels, we went ahead and got the DRL lights just like the Turbo S, but we're gonna actually wire these up to be the turn signal as well. I just have to do a little bit of research. If you have any input on that, let me know down in the comments. And then we also got some mirrors, and the original way these clamp on, they go around the whole roll cage. And with us running the front windshield, those aren't gonna work. So we went ahead and made these custom brackets right over here and got a little nut welded on there so those bolt right in. And then we also got some new sway bars to match our suspension. The original one just snapped on us on the first test drive. And speaking of the first test drive, we did also ruin our caliper. I went to go fill the machine up, and I guess we were missing one of our brake pads. Either that broke during the accident or after, but it basically just ate into the caliper. So I went ahead and got a new caliper installed on the rear, and I also replaced all of our brakes, so those are on point. And then let's go check out the steering wheel that I got installed. So this is the Pro Armor D-Shape. I really love the way it looks and how it feels. There's just like nice grip all around, and it's also going to come with the horn. So not sure if I mentioned this before, but we are going to try to make this thing street legal so we can have some fun off-road. And if we have to make any errands around the house, we could take this thing down the street. I got the rear view mirror installed. Using that clamp there, it does kind of lift the roof up just a little bit, but I'm just going to leave it like that until I get something different made for that. But for now, let's go ahead and jump on this front bumper and get this front end all complete. Let's go. Yo guys, check this out. We got that front bumper all complete and bolted on. I had to pull the razor outside just to get like a far angle and see what it looks like. And I gotta say, that front end looks amazing. It's had a big transformation and it looks really mean. I really love how that front end looks. It looks really dope. At first I was thinking I was gonna have to pull the front bumper back off to wire these DRLs up as soon as we get that street legal kit and I get my new terminal, which goes right over here. This battery terminal is all stripped out, so I need a new block over there. But look, you got plenty of space without that center grill to wire all these up, and I can't wait to light those up and actually connect our turn signals. I think it's gonna look really, really good. So now let's go ahead and jump on this front windshield. And I know I said it was a Pro Armor, but here's the company that provided it. It's a UTV Zilla. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but we're definitely gonna have to slap that sticker on. And check this windshield out. And it's not like a plexiglass. It is the DOT approved. There's a lot of dust on it. It kind of sat around, but it's got the whole frame that runs around. We're definitely gonna have to upgrade our wiper. We went ahead and went with the manual, but we're probably gonna upgrade that and add like a motor on there because we really want to make this thing street legal. And check out the progress on the truck. I'm kind of behind on my editing, but we got this quarter cab section all welded on. We got the welds all grinded down, and all we have to do is slap some filler on it, and then this whole thing will be ready for primer. And then the next step will just be like jumping on the front end, getting all that assembled and getting this thing ready for inspection. But for now, let's go ahead and jump on this front windshield and get this thing installed on this razor. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got the front windshield installed, the mirrors, and the front bumper. So now let's go ahead and take it around the block and give it a proper rip.
Let's do it. Dude, let's go rip this thing, man. Check out that windshield though, dude. You can't even tell.
Oh, it's clean. Had to put my hat on backwards so we don't lose it.
Ah, we got a windscreen for that. Check out that rear view mirror though.
Yeah, all this stuff is super dusty. We have to clean it all out.
Blow-off valve just sounds insane.
Dude, our brakes are on point. The brakes feel nice and tight. Woo!
Check out that mud though. You ain't gonna go through the mud, are you? Man, that thing is a ripper, dude. Be all muddy. Dude, he is ripping. I gotta show him how to do it, boys. Oh, Bubba's about to be behind the wheel. Yo, let me take you for a rip. Let me show you how it's done here.
Dang, son, I just tore it up, bro. This thing is so fun. All right, you get in there and do a few rips.
Do it.
Finally got this thing all ready to go. I want to see what it looks like on the outside. Heck no. Look at it. Dang, he just mowed some trees down. We might need to get a power brake, a hydraulic brake. That way you can just hit it. But dang, son, check this out. Just a few laps and we tore this property up. I don't really want to go through here right now. I don't want to get that muddy. We got to go to a few parties here in a little bit, so we're probably going to go back to the house and call it a day. All right, do it. Give it all you got. Dang, that blow-off valve sounds really good. Let's see if he's got anything right here. guys, that's a wrap for this episode. The Razor absolutely rips. I'm so happy to have it all back together, and we just had a lot of fun right over here just from a few drifts. We got this machine all muddy, and we did end up damaging our fender flare, which we're going to be getting a new one in anyways, but we do have to call it an early day today. We have to go do a little bit more Christmas shopping, then we got a few parties to go to. With all that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support, and if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications for more awesome builds like this. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. The link will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you in the next one.